A bunch of hocus pocus. Huh, Bill? Bill? Hello, Bill. Earth to Bill. I'm Ashley with the Motherly Escape, and this is Big Bill. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something extremely different. I feel like October is going to be like the month of let's try everything once and see how it goes. You know. Anyway, today we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to make spooky Halloween popcorn. So in my house, popcorn is a big deal. Well, because kids are crazy and they love anything sweet and savory. So we are going to make popcorn that is white chocolate, dark chocolate, and has spooky things inside of it. Super easy. I bought everything at Target and or Costco because that's how I roll. And I'm not making homemade popcorn because I'm not Betty Crocker, but I am using Costco Kirkland microwave popcorn. And yes, this has the butter, but this is gluten-free, so I'm momming it up. You're welcome. I have already done 2 bags of popcorn, and I'm gonna throw the 3rd in the microwave. Bill, take it away. Well, he's not very talkative now, is he? While that's in the microwave popping away, I'm going to put down some wax paper all over my counter so that we can get crazy with the decorating. Tape the wax paper together, just one little tape down the middle so the chocolate doesn't get all over the place. As many of the popcorn kernels, I'm going to take them out because nobody wants to eat them. If you do, let me know and I'll send you all of my extras. Is it good? Okay. Well, don't eat too many. Hey, slow down. So I have 3 sheets of wax paper down. Bill, did you open this? I don't know. Yes, you did. I did. Yeah, you did. Okay, so I have, well, that's, shh, relax. Let's show everybody. So while that's popping away, I want to show you the creepy crawly sprinkles that we have that someone's very mad about because he wants them. I have eyeballs that I got from Target. And then we have this spooky, hold on, spooky set of sprinkles that I got at Target. Here, you want some? Okay. There. And then, you're welcome. And then I have black and white sprinkles and some of the orange. I grabbed Cookies and Scream M&Ms from Target. They are black with white dots, which kind of go with like the eyeball look, the creepy crawly look. So, okay, we have our 3 bags of popcorn laid out. Now, you want them popcorn to be in a thin layer. You don't want them over. Okay, so now we're going to do the toppings, and we want to do the chocolate sprinkle first. So I am going to use a dark chocolate morsels. These are from Nestle, and put it in a nice big bowl. Now what are you doing? I went with the dark chocolate. There, hold that. Ew, knock it off. I went with the dark chocolate because I wanted it to give like a very dark, almost black look to the popcorn. And because chocolate is hard to spread once it's been melted, to make it easier, I add a little bit of shortening. So I have this Crisco shortening that I've used forever and ever, and I'm going to put 1 tablespoon in with the chocolate as I melt it. Kind of cut it up a little bit just so it gets everywhere. Now I'm going to pop this in the microwave, and I'm going to do it for about 30 seconds at a time. And okay, so you're going to give it a little toss. So it's not, some of it's going to be melted, most of it won't, but just give it a little bit of a stir. Okay, so I've already put it in now for 30 seconds 2 times, which if you're wondering, that's a whole minute. I know. Okay, so it's nice and runny.
it.
Don't touch it, it's hot. So I'm just gonna stir it up because if you feel towards the bottom of the bowl, all of the chocolate is kind of just sitting there and you can feel it tougher at the bottom. So I'm just gonna keep stirring it for a while before I start drizzling all over the popcorn. Okay, so let me tell you a trick when it comes to drizzling all over the popcorn. Just do it. There is not a good way to do it. The faster, the better. And instead of like a big clumps, try to do it with the spoon and just drizzle. And I will show you kind of how. Bill, stop. Stop eating it, Cabrón. We're gonna have none left. Okay, so we have the chocolate. Now let's start at one side. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit and simply drizzle. Okay, so now that the chocolate, the dark chocolate is done, we're gonna go through with the white chocolate. Now I'm gonna make it a little bit more fun. I wanna add green to it because we have a lot of sprinkles with orange. So I wanna add green to my white chocolate. So I have a big bag of the Nestle's white chocolate morsels. And I'm going to do, in the same white bowl, I am going to do 2 cups of the white chocolate morsels. Okay, it's roughly about half of that large bag. Really? Drinking mama's water? Really? Don't you spill that. And I'm gonna go in again with the shortening. You want 1 tablespoon. Cut it up a little bit. Spread it around. Okay, 30 seconds at a time in the microwave. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, so now the white chocolate has been in the microwave for 1 minute. Stir it up. See, it's just like a beautiful creamy consistency. If you don't add the shortening, it's not going to be as thin and runny as it needs to be for us to drizzle it along the popcorn. So now that it's pretty even, there's always like one random chip that's still just being a you-know-what. I am going to go in with this leaf green icing color. This is from Wilton. And I'm gonna add it to my white chocolate. Now I'm just gonna do a fourth of a teaspoon. Intense green. I love those food dyes because you don't have to go super crazy. I feel like some of them, the little tubes, you have to add the entire thing to get somewhat of a color, and these just have a beautiful color to them, and you don't have to add very much, which will last you longer. Okay, so here we go. And then again, I'm just gonna grab a little bit and start drizzling away. Ooh, looks like slime. Okay, so now for the fun part, we're going to add the different toppings. So the first one I'm going to do is the M&Ms, the cookies and cream. Well, cookies and scream. But I'm just going to drizzle them a little here, a little there. Oh, these look cool. They're like black. So it definitely goes with the dark chocolate. Now, if you wanted to make this, let's say Thanksgiving, you can do the pumpkin spice M&Ms. You could do the candy corn. You can just do the regular milk chocolate that are just the fall colors. There's so many options that you can do. Okay, now I'm going to go through with the eyeball sprinkles to give it a creepy, crawly effect. These I was super impressed with at the store, and I'm just going to sprinkle a few, kind of spread them out so they're not all in one section. Now you could go as crazy with the eyeballs or as little as you want. They even have bigger ones. You know what, you could even, no. You could even add gummy eyeballs. I know they had a bunch of those. Now, I want a bright orange, so I'm gonna go through with this, just the solid sugar orange sprinkles. I'm going to tell you, this is not diet food, so don't look to it for being on your diet. I also like the glitter effect that these sprinkles do. Okay. And now I'm going to go through with the black and orange, what are these called? Not jellies, jimmies. But they're little circle sprinkles for a much stronger effect of orange. Now this would be fun if you did maybe purple in your white chocolate. If you wanted to do this like a unicorn look, you could even add some glitter. They have edible gold glitter. They have so many different options. It's just so much fun. So this you can use as a base for all different types of fun popcorn ideas. And you don't need much.
Let's go.
Look at all that. Woo! You like it?
I like it.
Yeah, you do. Okay, our Halloween popcorn is complete. Now, since we've done this on the table, we're going to leave it for 2 to 3 hours to let it completely dry. You do not want to bag it up before that time because the chocolate will definitely smush, and instead of having a really cool striped effect, you're going to have a mushy popcorn ball crazy look. So I don't recommend it. And since someone keeps eating so much of it, we're gonna put him down for a nap so that he doesn't devour the entire thing. So stay tuned, we'll come back in a little bit when it's time to pack it up. Okay, it's been 2 to 3 hours and the popcorn and the chocolate look pretty dry. If you move it around, you can tell either by touching it or by lifting it. If it stays together, then you know it's dry enough. Let me show you a cute way to package it up. So I always keep these clear baggies on hand. I get these at the Dollar Tree, and they're 25 loot bags with the little silver ties for $1.
Yep.
So I like to stock up on these. I always keep probably like 100, 200 on hand, which is what, $4, $8. But it's so nice to have these for holidays, for birthdays. I also got these orange, there's like one, but there's orange spider rings that we'll put around the top of it. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so everybody's already washed their hands. So we're going to bend up the wax paper, loosen up the popcorn, and we're going to grab a few handfuls. And then I'm going to go ahead and put one of the little silver ties on this bag. Now you don't want to pack it too full because the chocolate, if it is still a little bit damp, you don't want it to smush. But 3 hours should be good enough. Make sure you get some eyeballs and some M&Ms in there.
Ooh, yeah.
You see the eyeballs?
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I only got one eyeball.
Robert, take your mask off. Okay. So then now that it's tied up, I'm going to take one little ring and put it around where I tied it.
Like this, Mommy?
Yes, thank you, Michael Credo. Yes, put a little more, Becky.
Like this game.
Super cute. Ready to be gifted. Do you like it? Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, totally.
It's fun, huh?
Yeah, I sure I had spider. It definitely looks like delicious. Wait a minute, is this enough, Mom?
No, a little more. Oh. I hope hope you enjoyed this tutorial for white chocolate, dark chocolate, Halloween popcorn mix. It's a perfect treat for Halloween night or for just watching Hocus Pocus during the week. But you can also give it as gifts to teachers, to neighbors, to family, to friends. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for future tutorials.
Bye.
I've linked my Facebook and Instagram as well as my blog below. It's at The Motherly Escape and motherlyescape.com. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you take a little time to escape from your motherhood for yourself. Take care until next time. See ya.
Hello. Hello.
You're supposed to say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.